Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada and UK. I also share my daily analysis on the important Forex currency pairs including Euro USD. Okay. And sorry for not having a professional setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. Okay. This analysis is for Euro USD 25th Feb 2021 Thursday. Okay, this analysis is for today only, Thursday 25th Feb 2021 only. Okay, uh, if you have watched my video of yesterday's video, then you know that I told you to go long above this level, and we can see that yes, there is a breakout, and if you have followed this strategy, then you have probably have made some good amount of money. Okay, so right now you can see that market has gone up. Okay, so what do we need to do? We do not need to do anything. Okay, we we had our breakout. Market is in beautiful uptrend, and yes. So right now, what we can do? We just need to wait because I'm using stochastic RSI indicator, and you can see that stochastic RSI indicator is telling us that market is in overbought zone. So as a result, we just need till the market cools off a little and market comes down to this oversold zone. Okay, so the next possibility is that market will come down a little bit. Okay, market will come down a little bit and take rest for a while, or market will have some correction, and market will reverse from 50 pair moving average. This blue line is the 50 pair moving average. Market may reverse or bounce up from 50 pair moving average, or market may not come down to the level of 50 pair moving average and again start going up from there only. Okay, in that case you just need to use this stochastic RSI indicator. Okay, in this kind of scenario, uh, we can use moving averages also. In trending market, moving averages work very good. Okay, so in case market doesn't come to the level of 50 pair moving average, just wait and watch the stochastic RSI indicator. If stochastic RSI indicator touches the oversold zone, and from there if it starts going upward, okay, then just look at the trend of the market. If you think that okay, market is still in a good position to buy, then definitely you should go ahead and buy. Okay, but right now I'll say that this is not the ideal position to buy because suppose, remember, I told you to buy above this level. Okay, because this would have been your perfect position. But if you place your buy order here, where will you keep your stop loss? Okay, your risk to reward ratio is not favorable in this position. The risk to reward ratio will be favorable only if it comes down to the 50 pair moving average level, or if it comes down to this or this level, when market will be oversold and it will be ready to go up again. So keep your eyes on two things: let the market come down to the 50 pair moving average, or stochastic RSI. Let stochastic RSI come down to the oversold zone. Then only you should go ahead and place a buy order. Okay. If I switch to the 4 hours time frame, you can see that there was a small resistance here. Okay. So market may reverse also. Okay, market may reverse also in this candle or after one or two candle. Okay, so you just wait for market to cool off a little. When market will cool off, then you should go ahead and execute the order. But as of now, just wait. Okay, let the price come to you. You should not chase the market. If you chase the market, you will lose your money. Okay, that's it. You should always trade from level to level. Okay, being a trader, your first and foremost duty is to protect your capital. Okay, you can only make money if you have got the capital. If you lose your capital, you won't be able to make money. So it's your duty to protect your capital. You can only protect your capital if you trade wisely. Okay, and to trade wise, let the market come to you. Okay, you should not have the fear of missing out, FOMO. Okay, Just wait, just wait. Okay. So this is the analysis for Euro USD for 25th Feb 2021. Okay. If you have found the video informative and liked the video, then please give a thumbs up. Click on the like button and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I'll come down tomorrow again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. Till then, take care. Goodbye. If you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck. And do not be impatient.